How to update your SIN online after receiving your work permit. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In first step, search and access the SIN page. Start by visiting the Government of Canada website. Use the search bar to type in update SIN after work permit. From the search results, find and click on the link that takes you to the overview page. Now navigate the SIN overview. This page explains everything you need to know about managing your SIN, whether you are applying, updating or replacing a lot 1. Scroll down to the section titled Apply, Update or Obtain SIN Confirmation and select the option that matches your situation. For this example, we are updating our SIN due to a new work permit. Choose how to apply. You will be prompted to choose an application method. Select Apply Online. You will then see a list of required documents. Review it carefully and prepare your files. Click the Apply Online button, read the terms and conditions, check the agreement box and proceed. Fill out the online form, confirm you're applying for yourself and continue. If you already have a SIN, you will select change the status on a SIN code. You will then be asked to provide your personal information, full name, place and date of birth and mailing address. Enter your contact details and email for updates. Choose the situation that best fits. Here it is updating SIN after receiving a work permit. Upload your required documents in the indicated sections. You will see the upload files at the bottom of the screen. Add additional information. Continue through the prompt. Some sections may ask for potential information or parental information or other identification details. Before submitting, review all your entered information and uploaded files. Once everything looks good, click Submit. Now, within a few business days, you will receive an email confirmation regarding your SIN update status. That's it.